Threads was launched in July 2023 and quickly became popular, with over 30 million signups in its first few days. However, its popularity has since declined. As of July 2023, Threads has only around 10 million active users. There are a few reasons why Threads may not have become as popular as Meta platforms had hoped. First, it is a relatively new app, and it takes time for new apps to gain traction. Second, Threads is very similar to other social media platforms, such as Twitter and Instagram, and users may not see the need for yet another app. Third, some users have reported that Threads is buggy and unstable. Despite its declining popularity, Threads is still a viable social media platform. It offers a number of features that are not available on other platforms, such as the ability to share posts and stories directly to Instagram and the ephemerality feature. If Meta platforms can address the bugs and instability issues, Threads may be able to regain some of its popularity.